Hey, this is a 1995 Chevrolet Corvette, and what we're working on is replacing that map sensor. Part number SU105, Duralast. Here's the map sensor right on top of the intake manifold. You have two screws on top. They're 8mm. Once you release the 8mm, you can just pull it up and disconnect the harness. There's just three prongs that plugs right into the map sensor. Here's the old map sensor. Make sure you keep the rubber seal from the old one, because the new one will not come with one. So you'll have to put the old one onto the new one. Here we are opening the new package of the map sensor. Compare the part to the old one. Make sure everything looks identical, alike, the same. The plugs, everything looks good, so we'll proceed. Make sure you put the old rubber seal onto the new. Here we are back to the intake manifold. What we're going to do is plug in the harness first. And then insert the map sensor into the intake manifold. Get the two 8mm screws. Hand tight them first, always. And then follow with the tool to tighten them down. It really doesn't need much to torque it down. Inspect the map sensor, make sure the harness is connected and everything's in place.